everyone, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. If you watched my video before, you know I did a video on how to make your own Kalimba tab from piano music. In that video, I talked about how you can input music notation into the MuseScore program on your laptop. However, with that method, you have to input the note individually, which could take forever to do. Recently, I found out a trick that can make the process easier, which is to convert sheet music in PDF format into MuseScore format. With this video, I will show you step by step how to do that. Before I dive in that, let's do a community shout out. With community shout out, I will select 2 channels from the comments. So if you would like to be featured in my future videos, make sure to comment down below. Now let's get started. If you already have a sheet music in PDF format, you can skip to the next step. So let's get to MuseScore. So you would go to MuseScore.com and look for the song that you want to transpose. After you find one that you like, then we can go to the next process. Always check the download option to see if it's available for free. If it's not, then you can try this method. If you want to make a lot of Kalimba tabs, I would recommend you to look into subscription on MuseScore. Since I don't do it as much, so I use this method. So you go into full screen mode. You would screenshot the sheet music of each page. After you did the screenshot of the sheet music, then you can convert them into PDF format. If you have Adobe Acrobat, you can just convert them like that. Since I don't have it, I will use Google Doc, which you would open it on Google Drive. You can just drag the image into Google Doc. And you can see they are in there now. Make sure they're in the right order. After that, then you can download it into PDF format. So now it's in PDF format. We can get to the next step, which is to convert your PDF files. So you would go to musescore.com/import. Then you can select the PDF file. You can see the status here, it says queue, so it will take some time to convert it.
A few moments later.
Please keep in mind you might not be able to convert the PDF format for MuseScore due to the quality of the PDF, complexity of the score. If it's not able to convert it, in the result you are able to see you cannot download it. For this one, we can download it. So we can click on download. This is the other sheet music I have, which is not available on MuseScore. So now we can open it. So you can see it has converted the music notation into here. With this method, it might not convert the music notation 100% accurately in here, so it's always good to check the note with the original. With the tempo speed, seems with this method, it always set to the default 120. So you will always want to make sure change that to match the original one. You can just double click on it and then change it. So you would want to make sure you go through all the notes, make sure they are in the right position. With this one, you can see it's not the same as the original piece here. There's a plus symbol here, which means this measures time signature is more than the original one. So to change that, you can right click, click on measure properties, and then set it back to the original. In this case, it's 4/4. Now it changed back to the 4/4 measure. However, the note is not exactly the same, so we would click on here or click on N on your keyboard to change it. You can use the arrow up and down key to move the note slightly. So that's how you can edit the note. So you would do that to the whole sheet music and make sure all the notes are matched with the original. Once you finish that, then you can convert the sheet music into C major. So you can just do Control or Command A, and then click on Tools, Transpose, C major, and then click OK. So now you have the tab in C major. You can click on I and then remove the second one. And then now you have whatever left to make into Kalimba tabs. That's how you can convert PDF sheet music into MuseScore format by using the website. So with this method, not only it would work for MuseScore music if you have sheet music in PDF format like this one I have here, you can also try to convert into MuseScore format. I hope this video will help you save some time if you do decide to transpose music for Kalimba tabs. That wraps up for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more Kalimba content, and comment down below of what you are hoping to see more in the future. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.